Welcome back to AutoBuzz TV***, your go-to source for the latest and most exciting automotive innovations. If you love cutting-edge vehicles and futuristic mobility solutions, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we have something truly unique, something that blends the freedom of cycling with the comfort of camping. Meet the *2026 Rad Power Camper Tricycle *, an electric three-wheeler designed for adventure lovers who crave sustainability, convenience, and mobility all in one package. The concept of an e-trike camper might sound futuristic, but Rad Power Bikes has turned it into reality. This tricycle is designed for solo travelers, city explorers, and even weekend campers who want a compact, eco-friendly alternative to traditional RVs. Unlike large motorhomes, this trike is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and doesn't require a gas-powered engine. Instead, it runs on a powerful mid-drive electric motor paired with a high-capacity battery, delivering an impressive range on a single charge. One of the most exciting aspects of the Rad Power Camper Tricycle is its built-in camping pod. This foldable, weather-resistant compartment serves as a compact living space, allowing riders to rest comfortably wherever their journey takes them. The camper features a reclining sleeping area *, modular storage compartments *, and even a small solar panel system to keep essential devices charged while off the grid. The trike's pedal assist and throttle mode make long-distance travel a breeze, especially for those who want to explore without relying on a car or a full-sized RV. And with all-terrain tires and an adaptive suspension system *, this e-trike can handle both urban streets and light off-road trails, making it a versatile choice for adventurers. Safety and convenience are also top priorities. The trike comes with built-in LED headlights, a digital dashboard, regenerative braking, and even a GPS tracker to enhance security. Whether you're commuting through the city, exploring national parks, or just taking a relaxing ride along the coast, this trike ensures you travel smart and safe. The *2026 Rad Power Camper Tricycle is more than just an electric bike, it's a self-sufficient mobile base camp. With zero emissions and the ability to charge via solar power, this trike is perfect for eco-conscious travelers who want to embrace sustainable exploration. So, what do you think? Would you take a road trip in this electric camper trike? Let us know in the comments. Before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest auto trends. Thanks for watching AutoBuzz TV***, and we'll see you in the next video.